If you're running Google Ads and your budget disappears faster than it should, it's probably not your bits or your ads. It's the searches you're paying for that should never have triggered your ads. In this video, I will show you exactly where to add negative keywords in the Google Ads dashboard, how to decide between campaign level and ad group level negatives, and how using simple negative keyword lists can instantly protect your budget. Before we dive in, I'm Danny. I've been running Google Ads for 8 years for local service businesses, and my full focus is helping clients get steady, high-quality leads to grow their service business. Think of your Google Ads budget like a water in a plastic bottle. If there are holes, the money leaks out no matter how much you pour in. Negative keywords plug those holes. So let's jump into the dashboard and add them properly. Where to add negative keywords in Google Ads? Okay, let's jump into the Google Ads dashboard. Once you're inside your account, go to the campaign and click Keywords. Then click Negative Keywords. This is where everything starts. You will notice right away that you can add negative keywords at two different levels. This is campaign level and ad group level. Choosing the right one really matters. Campaign level negative keywords. Campaign level negatives blocks searches across the entire campaign. This is where you stop universal junk searches, things that you should never trigger your ads, no matter what service you're promoting. Examples include jobs, careers, salary, training, school, DIY, people looking for something free. Most wasted budget happens because this type of intent is allowed at the campaign level. When you block it here, you protect your budget instantly. Then we have ad group level negative keywords. Ad group level negatives are about precision. You use these when a keyword is only irrelevant in a specific context. For example, if you have one ad group for emergency services and another for regular services, you might exclude the word emergency from the regular ad group so traffic stays clean. Rule of thumb: if a search should never be relevant, block it at campaign level. If it's only irrelevant in one case, block it at an ad group level. Using negative keywords lists instead of dumping everything into one giant list, this is where a lot of budget gets saved. Go to Tool and Settings, then Shared Library and click Negative Keywords List. This lets you create lists once and apply them across campaigns. The key idea is to use multiple lists, not one messy master list. Global Junk List. This is your baseline protection. These are searches you almost never want for service businesses. This is might be jobs, career, salary, training, cares, school, PDF, download or movies, tutorials, free. Apply this list to most campaigns right away. This alone can save a lot of wasted spend before optimizing anything else. Industry or service-specific lists. Create separate lists based on what you don't offer. For example, if you're running ads for a dentist who doesn't offer orthodontics, you'd exclude braces or Invisalign. If you don't accept Medicaid, that should be its own list. Separate lists keep accounts clean and reduce the risk of blocking something you still want. Dentist example. Without negative keywords, a dentist can easily pay for searches like dental assistant jobs, how to whiten teeth at home, dental school, free dental clinic. None of these people are booking appointments. In real accounts, the biggest budget drain usually isn't competitors. It's irrelevant intent like this. Blocking it redirects spend toward real patient searches. Where new negative keywords come from? Of course, negative keywords are ongoing. Go to your search terms report to see exactly what people typed before clicking your ad. Review this weekly. Look for education intent like job intent, like I said before, DIY, people looking for something free without booking appointments. When you find them, add them to the correct list instead of creating one-off exclusions. 2 mistakes to avoid. in negative keywords. First, don't go too aggressive. Sometimes, in a specific cases, when you have a free consultation, blocking words like free can be a mistake if you offer exactly this. Think intent, not just words. Second, don't set and forget. Search behavior changes, markets change, and new irrelevant searches always appear. Keep reviewing and updating your list always. Now that your budget is protected with negative keywords, the important step is telling Google how much a lead is actually worth. That's what Target CPA is for. Click to the link to watch my next video on how to calculate Target CPA in Google Ads, where I break down step by step so your bidding matches your real business numbers.